Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, of course, see what is happening as of today and what is most likely going to happen as we do go further into the week and of course further into the month of June. So if we're looking at the price as of June 13th, 2023, you guys can see there's still about 6 zeros in front of the price for Pepe, currently sitting at 917,980. We're up 1% in all three comparatives: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD comparative over the last 24 hours. But if we're paying close attention to its market cap, it's hovering around the same market cap for the past 2 to 3 days, currently sitting at $382 million. But the 24-hour trading volume compared to yesterday has increased. We're currently sitting at $115 million in 24-hour trading volume. But now let's shift our focus, of course, towards the price, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. Looking at their Twitter, though, 306,000 followers, once again a new high in terms of the follower count. Great to see the community is growing day by day, so that is a great thing to point out when we are analyzing the charts. But holder count approaching that 118,000 holders once again, and who knows, before Friday we could possibly even be sitting at 120,000 holders for Pepe, which is huge. Its 2-month anniversary is approaching very, very closely, so hopefully we are above 120,000 holders. That would be a great achievement, of course. But now let's shift our focus towards the price, what everyone is here for, see what really is happening and whether or not we could see some sort of a breakout happening as we do approach Friday. So if we're looking at the market cap, $385.9 million. But before we deep dive, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, if we're looking at the price of Pepe, something very interesting has happened, and that shows strength building up. And let me explain as to why I'm saying that. If we look at Bitcoin, let's look at hourly. There we go. So if we're looking at BTC's hourly time frame, you guys can see just earlier today we saw BTC go up to $26,432. And of course, since then we have retraced a little bit, but potentially we could be making our way back to that spot. Of course, whale manipulation is going on, and there's no secret at this point. The longs and the shorts are being liquidated left and right, and this is why you want to be staying away from leverage trading. But with that said, if we're looking at the price of Pepe right now, as I've mentioned earlier today, we were seeing Bitcoin at 26,400, and we did see Pepe at 9.769 cents mark, and since then we have retraced about 6%, guys. So a 6% retrace when we were above $400 million market cap. But look where we got stopped out. Of course we would have broken out. I think we would have broken out of this level of resistance that was back on June 6th, which I've been saying on my channel over the past 3 days now, that we need to see the price go back above to these levels as soon as possible, and Pepe is trying to do that. You guys can see this for yourself. We literally got stopped out. Let me bring out this for you guys so you guys get a better picture as to what I really mean. Look where we got stopped out. So as you can see, the Pepe price was on its move back towards the upside, but rejection at that level of resistance, which is to be expected. So we are seeing a little bit of a bounce, and we're being supported by the previous support line. If we bounce back and forth here, Bitcoin does once again make a move back towards the upside, we could potentially see Pepe break out of this, and we could potentially be headed back to that $500 million market cap once again. A lot of eyes are on Pepe right now. People are searching Pepe as days go by. Of course, one thing that we can say right now is Pepe is not trending on CoinGecko and Coin coin market cap right now. As you know, over the past 2 to 3 weeks, we were continuously back to back being trending on CoinGecko and coin market cap. But as of now, some other coins have taken over, but that does not mean the growth is not happening. People are not still searching about it. The numbers are right in front of our eyes. The holder count is growing as days go by. Not only that, the follower count is increasing. So great signs right in front of us right now. We do need to remember the price of Bitcoin, the dominance index is increasing. The market sentiment right now, there's a lot of uncertainty, so we need to keep all those factors in mind. But nonetheless, I do see Pepe is going to be hitting its all-time highs sooner rather than later. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, in my opinion. Like I've said, and I'll say it again, I think Pepe will shock a lot of people. It is the next Shiba Inu, in my opinion, and of course it's just going to take some time for us to get to that spot, but it's going to be a one step at a time thing. So like I said, we need to break out of this level of resistance and reclaim that $500 million market cap, and most importantly the $600 million market cap. But of course it's going to be one step at a time. It's not just going to be one straight line towards the upside, unless of course we do see BTC make its way back past 40k or something crazy happens. Stock market is pumping right now. The traditional stock market is pumping, so we never know what's going to happen. It could be very, very exciting times in front of us, and who knows, I guess we'll just have to wait and see. But there's a lot of people that are accumulating Pepe right now. I see comments left and right. People are saying, this is a coin that they believe is also going to be the next Shiba Inu. But of course, that does take some patience, right? As I've always said, have 3 rules set for yourself when you're investing in crypto. It can be Pepe. It could be any coin. Number 1 rule is, of course, always do your own due diligence and research. Number 2 is always invest what you can afford to lose. I cannot stress that number 2 rule. And number 3, of course, is have patience. People that are having patience right now are the ones that are going to be successful, especially when things really do crazy right now. Massive bloodbath, massive uncertainty. So the people that are being greedy right now tend to do well when other people are being greedy around this range. So that is my current stance, of course, on Pepe as of now. But with that said, let me know, what do you guys think about Bitcoin? Do you guys think Bitcoin is going to let's go on the daily time frame. Do you guys think Bitcoin is going to go back down to 24k mark? Or do you think we are also going to react to the overall stock market and start heading back towards this upside, especially hitting a new yearly high? Where could you see the price of Pepe going? Do you see Pepe reclaiming an all-time high soon, maybe next month, August, or do you think it's going to happen more in the fall? Let me know in the comment section. I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear you guys come and engage in the comment section. And also, if you guys have not followed me on Twitter, guys, what are you waiting for? Link in the description box below. Go hit me up on Twitter and let's get the Twitter family growing. But with that said, of course, I think I'm going to wrap it up here for today's analysis on Pepe. As you guys know, if any urgent emergency update were to come, I got you guys. I will make an update for you guys. But as of now, I like what I'm seeing. But right now, all eyes on BTC. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.